we should just push him backwards and tell him to floor it next time.
Really, man. You want to grab the ball?
Eric, you just digging yourself a hole. We just had a shower in sand. I think they charge you a lot for that in them spas in New Mexico. Let's see, we get it free right here. What's it not doing? Is it not locked in? Damn, that's a new winch.
It may have just got
contact or something. Maybe.
What's that? It may have got hot over 80 giving that.
Always turn off your headlights too when you're winching. We're gonna have to put a bigger winch on it. Here's you. You want me to turn around and? It's just that just ain't doing nothing.
I'm putting that damn winch back.
I think it's not locked in.
There it goes.
Yeah, except now this is going too. Let me turn around and pull him out.
Hey, free spool it, let me put it out. It'll give it some more leverage on the winch.
You gotta release all your tension before you switch it to free spool.
Out of James's. Right.
Now it's
Okay, that's like the third Viper winch up here we've seen that didn't do anything. You can't even pull the free spool winch out. Hang on, you're good. You're gonna double it up. We're still gonna have to unhook you, and you're gonna have to get out of that hole, Eric.
Yeah.
Before you.
I think that's bound up in there.
Could be. All right.
See how it's all eat up and stuff? Yeah, it's bound up.
Yeah.
It's got more power whenever there's more cable out.
I think it just had it bound up earlier. He had a fold in it. Eric, you might want to get out of the way. Quickly. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, we ought to.
Yeah, I was gonna say you went under the tree, didn't you? You're on solid slab now. You'll see it down here. Who knows where they got that from? I think it just had bound up earlier. He had a fold in it. Seems like it. He had a fold in it or something. You're gonna have to stretch that cable. Yeah, so you can make it almost impossible for everybody else now. Eric, you might want to get out of the way. Quickly. Go, 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 go.
Well, might as well go get his wings now. His skip plate hit right there. I bought him that bad. I bought him that down there, had to slide over. I bugged the shit out of it.
I came behind you guys and I was just sitting right on it.
I'm afraid what everybody thinks, sometimes link is good.
Yeah, we ought to.
I wouldn't even try to take my way.
Oh, hell. Yeah, it's an old shovel from the campsite. Got the bucket on.
Just like me, don't even try it. Just hook the winch.
Fucking run up your waist and get up.
I'm gonna get back. I've seen the winch.
You might want to.
I'd hook that a little bit higher.
Yeah, let me hold up a minute.
That looks awful low.
This is gonna do.
Low.
I don't like the sound of the tape at all.
Give it gas and winch at the same time. Yep, it's coming out. Gas and winch at the same time.
Just don't gas it any faster than what your winch is doing. What size is this tire?
Yeah, hell, my winch is really good down too much.
28. Boy, you don't want that long.
No winch cable don't sound real good.
No problem with that. You're not quite, yeah, you're not quite unstable there. Come on. You got 3 good ones up there. Now you're unstable there.
The first three-wheeler had lock-in, lock-out
center hub on it, so you can unlock one wheel and maneuver.
Oh, really?
Non-locking differential Arctic Cat.
That's a lot.
That wheel.
Well, he's only, there for a moment, he was only spinning one of them.
Hang on, let the winch do it.
Sounds like his winch is
What your
dying
winch
now.
can pull. You're just digging a hole.
His winch is dying now.
That's that winch that quit last. Is that the same one that the winch quit last night?
No, that was on the other one.
His winch is not pulling.
High center now.
That winch ought to pull him up.
That winch is turned up to.
We took two of them before one. Both their winches.
I got back tire had to pull up.
Yeah, you can go either way you want. I was trying to say you better go, go, go. Not let it have time to. You gonna winch it?
Yeah.
As opposed to. Yeah. Hey Eric, will you reach up and kill mine? Your belts, your starting pull. Where is the belt housing on one of these?
Well, I guess it'd be under the passenger seat.
It's right there, isn't it? Yeah.
Box right in front of it.
Yeah. Something's up with that. That ain't right.
We need to yank that thing right there. Almost hit me right in the face.
Yeah, I almost reached up to grab at it, and that tree over there, that little branch needs
It's
to be.
pretty deep out there.
Yeah, but the other one is too today. It's because of the floods we had.